Master data information is a little funny add-on because it actually applies to all your business, to all your customers, vendor setup, your items, serial numbers, anywhere. And in real life, you can structure data and work with data in the information matrix, which is a very powerful tool. And often we see that it's actually the IT responsible who is working or coaching all the others in how to work with this tool. So in the matrix, it's easy to update data in a very structured way. So where in the old days, Ben was having to run reports and maintaining data and sitting directly in the SQL, we now provide him some tool, import worksheets and information matrix, which is a very structured way of maintaining data. And this means that Jane, which is the CEO, is saving a lot of money because this is very agile, it's very easy, and it's a structured setup. So often we actually suggest to our customers using master data information, they should hire one person or select one person who is overall responsible for the master data setup. Because when the field service Greg is using a color for whatever, and the salesperson is using color for whatever, it should be the same way they're working with master data in a structured way.